Okay, once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay, in our previous video, I showed you guys how to remove the polarizer from a MacBook Pro laptop, and I'm sure most of you have learned, and by now you can remove the polarizer on your own. Okay, now on the next video we are going to be pasting the polarizer. We are going to paste the polarizer back to the laptop, so please just watch keenly, and I hope that you're going to learn so that you can do this by yourself. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Catch you very soon. Okay, here we are in the next video. You see, now I want to paste the polarizer, but first I have to clean it very well, thoroughly, to remove all dust. You see the way I'm cleaning. I'm using a soft tissue, and also I'm using 530. You can use 530, you can use WD-40, you can use a sticker remover, whatever you have, but you make sure that you don't scratch the screen. So I'm cleaning it properly. I have to make sure that the screen is very clean, free from dust. You see the way I'm cleaning it very well. So now I have my polarizer. The polarizer can be this is a 90-degree polarizer. So you see the screen right now, it is white, it's just white. So I test my polarizer to make sure that it matches with the screen. Some polarizers like 0-degree, like 135, like 0-degree will not work on this laptop. So this MacBook Pro 13-inch uses 90-degree polarizer. So you see the way I'm holding my polarizer, I have to peel it off a little bit and position it well, and I hold it. You see the way I'm doing it. Just watch keenly. You watch keenly and try to learn the techniques. You see, so after peeling off the polarizer, I don't peel it off completely. Just watch and see, I clean again. I keep cleaning to make sure that there's no dust on the screen. See, and also you have to make sure that you have enough light. So I have my scrubber. Some people have advanced scrubbers that they use, easy to paste. So now I place the polarizer at the two edges of the screen. You see, I'm placing it at the edge and make sure that it aligns very well on the screen before pasting. See, I align it very well, and make sure that the polarizer doesn't fall on the screen immediately. So I do like this, and you see, and also I watch again to make sure that there's no dust. And now you see, just watch ladies, watch ladies and gentlemen, just watch. You see, I'm pasting it gradually. You see, I'm pasting gradually. So finally I pasted it completely now. You see, so now I check, you see, to make sure that there's no bubble, there's no dust on it. Sometimes if you don't paste well, you have bubbles on your screen. So you see how I'm pasting. I pasted already, and now at the side, since this polarizer is a little bit big, I have to make sure that I remove the dust, the bubbles at the side. See, I'm removing the dust and the bubbles to make sure that it is very smooth. So I turn it on now to check if there's any bubble. You see, now our screen has a display. There's a display on our screen, but now you see the polarizer is bigger than the screen, so we have to trim it. I have to trim the polarizer. So I'm going to use a very sharp blade. I have a sharp blade that I'm going to use to make sure that the edges cut very well, smoothly. So I'll start from this side. First I'll cut it roughly, not too close to the screen. I'll cut it a little bit away from the screen. And you see the way I'm cutting, you see the way I hold the blade. I cut it gradually, and you have to be careful, because if your hand goes a wrong direction, you can crack the screen. So I'm cutting it gradually. See, I'm cutting the screen gradually, and I position it very well in a way that it's easy for me to cut. So I'm cutting, you see, I'm cutting, I cut the screen. Just watch, guys, just watch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video, share for others to learn. If you're an IT technician, if you're a laptop screen technician, share this video so that others can learn also. So now you see I have the rubber. I need to replace this rubber back to the screen. See, that is how you have to fix your laptop. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Ciao.